Yeah, the sound is like horrible. I know somebody complained the other day. I'm trying to raise the sound as much as I can. I'll try to. I cannot scream. It just kills my voice too. Anyway, if you want to do the exercise, the assignment 13, and use your own project. Obviously this is not a good example, but yours probably has more structure and even the slabs at this point. You could just go and duplicate a view with detailing if you want to take everything with you, and rename it as assignment 13. And what you can do is just turn on the cropping view or the section box. You know, when you turn on the section box, you can very easily start cutting like parts of your project, as you very well know by now. You can even select the section box and hide it, right click and hide, and you can just search for the best position that you think is best for you know, the introduction of a series of rebars. Okay, so that could be actually your exercise. You can just go to an actual view, very clean, and just, you know, drag it into a sheet here. Okay, you can obviously change the scale if you want. Oops. Yeah, it could be even so as detailed as this one. Let's turn on the section box. Wait a minute. I'll turn on the section box for a second. And you just can make this a little bit smaller so you see more closely what's happening there. Anyway, this is an example of the foundation, but it could be a detail of the beams connecting with the column, or how the slab connects with the column and the beam, etc., etc. Okay, so this should fit, I think, properly. Yeah, there you go. Now obviously this doesn't have any rebar, and in order to place rebar you probably want to enter the view by double clicking and making this like wireframe to see the interior. Or we'll get to see that in the next recording. You can actually go to shaded view. Let me deactivate and go to the view. And in the shaded view you have one thing called graphic display. Graphic display allows you to incorporate a transparency level so you see a little bit through it. Okay, and if we had rebars, this would be a perfect place to start locating your rebars. Okay, that will obviously influence your sheet positively, and this could be your assignment 13. Okay, obviously with the rebars. I'm going to stop this one so we jump to the rebars